when you search for copy and paste online job on YouTube. So you will see thousands of videos, but all the videos one side and this video another side. Because in this video I will learn you the best strategy of copy and paste online job, on which you will not believe that how much we can earn. This is too easy work. A 5-year-old kid can also do this. It doesn't matter if you have a mobile phone or a laptop or a computer, but you must have internet connection. So you will be able to make thousands of dollars in just a single day. Now, what are you waiting for? Let's start your work and earn thousands of dollars. But before we start the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more information and latest updates. So as I told you, if you search how to make money online by copy and paste, so you will see thousands of videos on this topic. But shrinking URL links is the easiest and most popular way to make money online. But if I tell you that you can actually earn more than YouTube on these websites, so you will not believe it, because YouTube pay $1.5 or $2 per thousand views, and these websites can pay you $4 to $5 per thousand views. But how? In this video we will learn how to make money online by just copy and paste YouTube links. There are many websites on which you can earn by copy-paste and shrinking links, but we will identify you the best and easiest websites of them. So the first one is Shrink Earn. So this is a website on which you can generate income by shrinking URL links. This website have only 3 easy steps to make money online. Step number 1. Create your account here. Step number 2. Shorten your links and share it on other platforms. Step number 3. And generate more and more money. If you scroll down, you can see the registered user of this website and earning. You can withdraw your payment in Payer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, and PayPal. So the first step is creating your account. It is too easy. Just click here on Sign Up button. Now add your personal information here, like your username, then your email address, then your password, then enter password. No fill up reCAPTCHA that I am not a robot. Then fill up the square to accept terms of service. Now click on the register button. This type of interface will be open. Now this is your dashboard. You can see your daily income and your links visitors right here. Now let's go to the next step, how to shorten a link here and how to get visitors on these links. So this is too easy work because you have not to spend much time here and no technical skills required. Just go to youtube.com or any other platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or Google and search for trending topics like news, sports, gaming, comedy, entertainment, and others category. Copy links of its videos. But in this tutorial video, I will learn you the shrinking process of only YouTube video. Now just look at the screen how I'm doing this. Just open youtube.com. Now search for video you want. I'm going to click on Mr. Bean video. So click on the video. Now pause the video and click on share button. Now click on copy link. Now go to Shrink Earn website and click on new shorten link. Paste the link here and click on shorten link button. So this is your shorten link. Now click on copy button and copy this link. Now share this link in Facebook and WhatsApp groups and any other platforms. If someone click on this link, it will bring him to a new page. If he wait for just 10 seconds, so you will get 1 view on your dashboard. If you shrink more and more links here and share it on other platforms so you can generate better income from this website. Now you will think that why this website get paid us for just copy and paste links. So if someone clicks on your link, it will bring him to a website and he would to wait for 10 seconds. On these pages, they will show them some ads if they complete 10 seconds waiting. So these websites will get paid you for these ads. But you have not to do anything here, just copy links of videos and shorten it on this website. Share to other platforms and get paid for just clicks on these links. If they watch video or not, you will be get paid for just clicks. If you are really enjoying this video, so please give a like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Now this is another website 7r6.com. The same process of generating income is here. It is completely same as shrinkearn.com. Here is also the same process for shrinking links. Just make your account here and generate more money. Now this is shorten. It have also same process of earning as well as shrinkearn.com. Make also an account here and make more and more money. The referral links of these websites I have provided in the description, so please join it by these link. There are more websites on Google like these 3 websites. Select a best one of them, make your account and make more money with easy steps. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos, because we teach you the best and easiest way to make money online and tutorial videos. So we will help you in making your future with a lot of happiness.